Michael, can you tell us, first of all, what's the 6E and what is it measuring?
The Sequence 6E test is an engine test that measures the fuel economy of a candidate oil. So it looks at percentage improvement over a baseline average oil and shows the OEM how much better that oil is versus that candidate.
What does the oil do to help unlock that extra MPG and fuel economy?
Yeah, it's really the overall formulation package, right? So if you look at a blend of oils, right, it's got different additives in it. There's specific additives you add to an oil that can decrease friction on metal surfaces and make them more efficient. And so we want to do our part. So we are going to obviously do that by reformulating and modifying our oils to get better fuel economy. They bumped up the efficiency by 15% in GF-7 versus GF-6. So that's asking the oil to do 15% more than it did for GF-6, yeah.
Once you can buy GF-7, I'm definitely going to, so that I can unlock that extra MPG and really help drive that fuel economy.